Okay, today is the day I unbox my little bundle of joy. Let me get scissors. Now, I made my purchase on HSN the day they had this special. And it just came in yesterday. And honestly, I really wanted to open it yesterday, but I had so much stuff all over this counter. I'm painting my kitchen and I needed to clear everything off. So I waited until today. Look, I'm not even dressed. I'm in my jammies and my robe. Crappy scissors here. Come on. Let's see. Alright. Let's see what I got. I'm so excited. I think I kind of need to go upside down. All right. This is my Cricut Joy. Cricut Joy, compact, smart cutting machine, your DIY best friend. Well, this is going to be my second best friend because my Cricut Maker is my first. And then I got some extra goodies. So let's dive right in to the extra stuff I got. So first I got the tool set, the essential tool set. Everybody should have these tools, no matter what machine you have. This is the same color as the Cricut Joy, so they will match. Okay. Then I have Smart Iron-On. Has 3 different colors in this one. Don't know if it tells you on the bottom. Oh yes. Matte, it's a matte finish. 3 sheets, and then it's the classic sampler. Gold, silver, and black. Okay. Then we have, okay. We have the Smart Vinyl Permanent. There are 5 sheets. And the size on both of them are 5.5 by 12 inches. So this would be perfect for me just to test everything out. This is glossy. Well, it says glossy satin, so I'm not really sure. Anyway, it's a silver, a gold, black, tomato red, and white. The next one is Smart Label, which this we can write on, and it is vinyl, and it is permanent vinyl. And we get 1 sheet of 5.5 by 48 inches. And of course that is in white. So that's labeling. And then I have the transfer paper. So this is the same as the newer transfer paper, not the really super sticky one, which I hate. I don't know anybody who actually really likes it. And this is 5.5 by 48 inches as well. And then I have one more thing. And this is a pack of 3 metallic markers that will fit in the Joy. This is the 1.0. We got a gold, a silver, and then a blue. It's like my favorite color, blue marker for Cricut. So that is the unboxing of my Joy package from HSN. Try to throw this in the picture. Now I'm going to add a project. I'm going to get this thing set up and I'm going to video it for everybody so you can see. So let's get started. Let's get crafting. I've taken everything out of its packaging. First thing I would like to talk about is the details. It's quite small and I love the texture of the teal. This little piece here came with the machine, and I guess it was for shipping purposes, so nothing breaks there where the blade is. And I think I'm going to keep that so that way when I am traveling I can use it and store it while I'm traveling. Let's put that aside and let's talk about the pen that it came with. It is a fine point pen, and I love the way these fine point pens write. I'm just going to give you a little sample of it if I were to just write by hand. It's pretty thin. So we're going to test that out as well. Now your Cricut comes with this little packet. Each Cricut machine comes with a little packet, little instructions and things like that. So let's go over what's inside the package with the Joy. A little Let's Get Started booklet. And you can connect via your phone, your iPad, or your computer. It comes with vinyl. It comes with your blade, which is in your machine already. Comes with the green grip mat, which I think is the standard, right? The standard grip mat. And it comes with paper. And then I've already showed you the pen. Let's go over some of the safety instructions. Please make sure you read all of it, but I'm going to go and highlight a few points. Indoor use only. Machine is intended for indoor use in dry locations only. Do not use in or near water. Do not immerse in water or any other liquid. Only clean machine with a soft cloth dampened with glass cleaner or water. Never use any kind of flammable liquid to clean machine. Do not use solvents such as acetate or nail polish remover to clean machine, as these will permanently damage machine's surface. Let's go over some warranty information. Your Cricut Joy machine is guaranteed against defects in material and workmanship for a period of 1 year. And then it goes on to say that this warranty excludes damage from abuse, accidental misuse, physical or software modifications, or other causes that are not defects in the material workmanship. Exposure to a temperature in excess of 110 degrees voids this warranty. Now we have 2 sections of cords. One is this big block where the other end goes into the Cricut Joy. and it's pretty long. Seems like they're giving you a lot of cord. And then there's the other section where one end gets plugged into the electrical outlet, and then the other end attaches to the block. Now this can also be plugged in either way, so no matter which way you have it, it should work. It's going to plug into electric, and then I'm going to grab the other end, and we're going to plug in the back of the Joy, right in that hole. Once plugged in, the light on the top will light up. And now we can just check to make sure the blade is in and correct. So it's pretty small compared to the other blades with the other machines. I could see why they would not fit in this machine. Okay, so you're new to Cricut altogether. So you're going to go to your iPad, your phone, or your computer. If you go to the computer, you're going to go to Cricut.com to download the program onto your computer. If you're on your iPad or your phone, you just go to your app store and you want to go to search. I'm just going to go Cricut and hit search. There it is. I've already downloaded it on my iPad already, but I've deleted it so we can go step by step through the process. So I'm going to download it back onto my iPad. Okay, once it is complete, it asks you, do you want to open it? You want to open it? So it's asking, Cricut Design would like to send you notifications. Notifications may include alert sounds and icon badges. These are configured in settings. They don't ever send you anything, so just hit no. Don't allow. Welcome to Design Space. All right. I'm not sure why I have to flip, but okay. Let's see. Let's do sign in. New user right here. New user. Create a Cricut ID. I'm going to put my name. Oops. United States. Email. So your email will be your Cricut ID. Retype your Cricut ID. And then you're going to create a password and create account. When you hit a create account, it says accept terms of use required. To create a Cricut ID, you must read and accept the Cricut terms of use, okay? And if you click on right here, it says I accept the Cricut terms of use. So this is your terms of use. Please read it carefully. Make sure you do agree with everything that they're saying here. Ask questions. If you want to email them, ask a question. Just make sure that you understand what they are actually telling you here. So it's kind of lengthy, but I do suggest that you actually do read it. All right. And then we're going to go back to Cricut Design Space. And then you're going to click I accept. Or if you want to have them send you tutorials, tips, inspirations, and deals via email, you click on that one. I suggest you do that because they send you all kinds of great tips and sales and things like that. All right, so now we're going to create account. All right, now it says what's new in version 4.4.0. Support your Cricut Joy. Learn more about our new all compact smart cutting and writing machine at Cricut.com. That's right here. Okay. I don't know, did I usually? No, I hit done. All right, so now it's going to say machine selection. Select the machine you are using to get comparable features and tool options. Now, if you own more than one machine, so say this is your first machine, the Joy, and then you decide you want to get the Maker, you can flip-flop back and forth from each machine. You don't have to create a new account for each machine. It's use the same account. So it's the Cricut Joy that I have. Okay. Now, it brings you to this page right here. But I want you to go up to the top where you have your profile and click on that and go down to machine setup. You're going to choose the Cricut Joy and then just follow the directions. Once it finds the Cricut Joy, you're going to click it up on. Now it's going to tell you to check to see if there are any updates. Once your updates are finished, it will say it was successful, and you hit continue. Now you want to register your machine, and remember that you can only register it to one email address, and that would be the email address you have your account under.
Probably that's just so they can see it, whatever. I would hope.
Again, you can click on the terms of agreement if you haven't read them yet. And then come back in and hit agree. And then register. Once you've registered, it tells you you've been successful. Now here's where you could set up your free Cricut Access membership that they give you with the new machine. Now you can either skip this section and set up later, or you can set it up right now. Once you've set up your access, the next page that you will see will be this right here, and it gives you 6 different test cuts to do. So you could do one of those 6 test cuts. I'm going to choose this flower. And then this screen comes up and wants you to make sure that your blade is in okay. And there is no next button, so you just have to swipe to the left. Now it's telling you to load your vinyl. So there's no mat. You're just going to load the vinyl. It doesn't matter which way you do it, as long as the 2 white line carrier sheet, I guess, is on each end. And then it just grabs it through and it starts to make its cut. Once your test cut is complete, you're going to eject. Here's where you will check out your cut. Now in the picture it tells you that you can just peel your image right off. I'm finding that a little difficult with this intricate cut. So I guess if it was just like a circle or something like that, it should be easy to come up. But I'm going to use a weeder to pick out all of the center cuts. First, I'm going to cut the extra because I could use that for a future project. All I would have to do is place that on a mat. And then I usually take my weeding tool and I grab the corner and carefully pull back. And that weeds the entire outside of the image. That's it. That's my first project with my Cricut Joy.